Affordable foldable phones from Samsung have been a long time coming since the first Galaxy Z series hit the scene. Fans have been eagerly waiting, and now it looks like they're finally on the way. Thanks to some exciting new rumors about fan edition models, the kind Samsung usually makes for its flagship phones. Display expert Ross Young recently shared some juicy details about an upcoming Galaxy Foldable, which he's calling the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. According to Young, this much-anticipated clamshell model will be launching in 2025, though we don't know the exact date just yet. In follow-up comments, he mentioned that the FE model will have the same display as the Galaxy Z Flip 7, its bigger sibling, but with some key differences under the hood. It seems like the FE version will come with a different set of cameras and processors. The Z Flip 7 is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, but the FE model might feature Samsung's own Exynos 2400 chipset. This was used in some of the Galaxy S24 phones in regions like Europe and India, and since Samsung tends to lean toward Exynos for its Fan Edition series, likely to keep costs down, this makes sense. So, while we don't have all the details just yet, the fact that this FE clamshell is in the works is already pretty exciting. It could finally make foldable phones more accessible to a wider crowd. In its Q3 financial report, Samsung hinted that it's working on ways to lower entry barriers for foldable phones, which would explain the rumors of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE possibly dropping before the Z Fold 7 FE. It's a sign that Samsung's serious about bringing foldables to the masses. So, what do you think? What are you hoping to see from Samsung's upcoming foldables? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.